see the smoke in the sky. Babylon law got a cold crooked eye, but we still stand with the fire inside. Hold to the truth when the wicked collide. Chains in the pocket, lies in the hand, selling out souls for a seat in the sand. We walk with the brave, we do what we can, plant good seed in a heartbroken land. Hear that drum, it call my name. No more fear, no more shame. From the mountain to the lane, we chant one word and break the chain. Zion brother, rise up now. Zion brother, take your vow. Babylon fall, let justice come. Zion brother, beat the drum. They build up walls with a polished tongue, but the truth get loud when the night get young. Mothers still sing and the children learn how the false crown fall when the fire return. No gold throne can buy our sight, no sweet light can dim the light. We march in the dust, we pray in the rain. Every step of faith is a strike to the chain. Hear that drum, it call my name. No more fear, no more shame. From the mountain to the lane, we chant one word and break the chain. Zion brother, rise up now. Zion brother, take your vow. Babylon fall, let justice come. Zion brother, beat the drum. Hungry man by the market gate, see the rich man hide behind the state. But the poor man's song stays strong and clean, like water run through the stone unseen. Old lies crumble in the red sunrise, new roots lift where the ash still lies. We sing for the ones who got pushed aside, and we keep the flame on the mountainside. Hear that drum, it call my name. No more fear, no more shame. From the mountain to the lane, we chant one word and break the chain. Zion brother, rise up now. Zion brother, take your vow. Babylon fall, let justice come. Zion brother, beat the drum. Curtain drop and the truth come true. Every false king got nothing to do. We keep this word like a lamp in the storm. One love rising steady and warm.